I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this is a good guy. You want to keep these guys in here. This is what I'm talking about with soil. These canna bulbs, there's a spider there. I had bought maybe 6 or 7 canna bulbs, put them in certain places. They didn't get that tall or flower, but I have a video that shows you how big my canna bulbs got when I added a great all natural, well, of course it's all natural, but a nice topsoil, and I did like a mini berm, and these guys were in a good spot to catch at least, I would say, 10 hours of sun maybe. So these guys really took off, so they even spread, so I have more, so I want to make sure that I don't cut the new rhizomes that have spread out in the area. And I'm also trying hard not to step on the dirt, because I don't want to compact the dirt, because if you compact the dirt, the roots have a hard time going. So I try to stay off the dirt as much as possible. But this is where we gotta think about the plants, because now I have more canna bulbs because of the warm weather that we had, and so they just took off very well. And this is what I got. I just got more canna bulbs to dig out, so I'm going to be here for a while. But that's how you basically dig out the canna bulbs. And you can see there's another rhizome there. Look at that guy. Look at that. That's great stuff there. This guy got pretty big. So really, you only have to buy, when you get canna bulbs, get a few, get a nice, get whatever you want. But just know you're going to get more, and you don't have to buy anymore, unless you want to keep them in the soil and you're just going to buy them. But for me, you can, like, I can split this up. This is another canna bulb. This is another rhizome. See how it was about to shoot off, so that's 3 other plants that it was going to grow. Put that in the pile. And that's what the sellers do. So actually, I'm going to be selling my canna bulbs. How about that? Let's sell the canna bulbs, because we got too many. And we need to share. We need to share with the world. So now I'm just cutting off the stalks of the canna bulb to consolidate space. So I got my loppers here, and I'm going a little bit higher. I notice when I go closer to the rhizome that it doesn't cut as easily. And they're like full with water because it just rained heavily yesterday. Not too easy. But like I said, I started out with probably with 5 or 6. Ooh, I just cut one. Jeez, gotta watch what I'm doing. Start out with like 5 roots that I bought probably for $3 each or something like that. Yeah, so I got tons more. Tons more. Try to sit outside the cart. This is my red wagon that I use because my wheelbarrow broke. I broke it. I need to get another one. The roots. There's so many I got. It's like ridiculous. But it ain't ridiculous. I'm just gonna have a bunch to plant come summer, come spring, I mean. It looks so great. So, and they keep breaking apart. So I can actually kind of split them. Like these big clumps here. Just kind of wiggle them and break them off. Some of them are bound by dirt. But some of them are like they're really tough. I think that's probably just all one. But I gotta store it in a bucket. So I gotta definitely break them apart. And they're kind of tough. We're trying to. I know these guys are very aggressive growers. Annuals. I'm in zone 7. I got more here. So I actually got a whole cart full of, and I still have more to cut. I still got more to harvest. That I did two in the front of the house, three on the side, and another 2 on the other side. They didn't get too tall because they weren't getting enough sun. But as you see now, I got plenty to deal with come fall that I'm gonna have to be figuring out what to do with. So I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit, and yeah, that's how you harvest canna bulbs. Everybody, thanks for watching, and have a good day.